Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, I come at you live and in living color here in Jacksonville, Arkansas, the Gilbert Compound. What have I got for you today? I have an amazing story and a wonderful box. So let me tell you a little story. First of all, you can catch this guy. His business name is Deathridge'S. You can catch him on Facebook and on Instagram. And he also is the admin of the Facebook group for the love of everything spicy. So go check him out on Instagram and also go check him out on Facebook in his group. We love people that love capsaicin and peppers. And if you grow peppers or you make stuff, go over there for the love of everything spicy. He gives away boxes like this quite often. Although I did not join a contest, I didn't do anything. One of my lovely, amazing friends, Jared, who also has Alpha and Omega business over there, he said he was going to send these to me if he won. Guess what? I got some peppers in the mail because I am horrible at growing peppers. And they apparently want to help me out. And that is amazing because we are a community that helps each other. And that was amazing. So thank you, Jared, and thank you, Jacob. Y'all are absolutely amazing people. So let's get into it. All right. Isn't that awesome, Yaya? Yaya, like always, is over on the side over here. We just got up. It's about 10:30 and 11:30, excuse me. We had an amazing day yesterday. Didn't we, Yaya? Went out and seen some stuff, and oh my God, this is incredible. Are you kidding me? Yeah, this is crazy.
What is it? What is that?
It's a pepper. It's a pepper plant. That is incredible. It's got its own little greenhouse. That's so cool. Oh my God. Look how cute that is.
Oh, that is cute.
This is cream morgue. Check it out. That is so cool. That's so cute. All right, so it came with some, I'm assuming this, I work for Amazon, so I'm assuming what this is he used this for bubble wrap, which that's kind of cool. Bubble wrap. That's cool stuff. Hey, what do we got here? Looks like we have stickers or something. That's cool because I'm working on my gun case. So let's check this out. See what this is. I'll put his sticker on my gun case. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Check that out. Ah, check it out. That is so cool. That's cool stuff. All right. There that wonderful guy is Jacob. I haven't checked that out. I don't know how to turn this around on my thing. So you, Jacob, you're going on my gun case. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I'm going to get your address and send you some of my stickers. See if I can find them real quick. Check it out. Yep. All right. So let's keep this party going. What else we got in here? Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so pretty. White Mama? Cool. Check that out. That is awesome. I'm going to have to find these little greenhouses I can't grow, but that's cool as hell. Bet I save them. Oh man, Golden Reaper. Hey, that is so cool. You know, the Golden Reaper, I always thought that the Reaper teacher should turn this into her special signature pepper. Reaper teacher, I haven't forgot about you. Let's see what else we got in here. Some more bubble wrap. What else we got? Ooh, check this out. Check this out. We got another pepper plant. What's the name of this one? Trey Mutant. Oh my gosh. Is that a mutant? It doesn't look like a mutant. No. I can't really read that, but I'll get with him and see what it is. I thank you so very much. That is so cool. I am flabbergasted at the amazingness of this cool stuff. And our weather is getting to where it needs to be. And I'll be planting these outside in the ground because pots don't really work very well for me. So I'm going to try the ground. I got my new tiller, and we're going to be kicking it. Check this out. These are so awesome. I got 4 plants, and this is literally 400% more than I had when I started today. So I'm pretty impressed. Wow, I'm so happy. Thank you, Jared. Thank you, Jacob. And please follow the links below and check him out. Deathridge's Peppers over on Instagram and Facebook, and also for the love of everything spicy. God bless America. God bless you. Oh, and don't forget Alpha Omega. He's an awesome dude. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.